Let me explain what to do if CapCut isn't working and AI features aren't available in your region, as you can see here. If you see "Not available in your region," let's explore how to fix this issue on your phone effectively, as you can see here. First of all, it could be, for example, if there's an error that you are encountering, let's address it carefully. CapCut isn't displaying or shows "Not available in your region." Let's fix this issue. This is almost always not a bug. Rather, it's likely a limitation due to the server or account settings on your phone, as you see. The solution is often related to regional restrictions. CapCut may not be available in all countries, as you can see here. Let's explore this further. It includes AI features, but as you can see, they are not available in all countries. Oh no, the AI Lab button has completely disappeared after the update, and now it shows an error message, as you can see here. This means that the feature has not yet been enabled for your specific region or account, as you can see here. In CapCut, try updating your app. It's very important to go to the App Store or Google Play to ensure everything works. Check your phone model and make sure to update Google Play to the latest version, as you can see here. The app often doesn't display AI sections properly, and it simply doesn't work, so try updating or reinstalling it to fix this issue. Log out and log back into your account, as sometimes features may not link properly to your account. This often resolves issues. Log out of CapCut, then log back in. Also, check TikTok or Google and make sure to update your settings. The network is very helpful, so try using mobile data or Wi-Fi, as you can see here, for better connectivity. Or restart your router, as sometimes it doesn't load due to IP issues, which can be resolved easily, as you see. If server blocks occur, try these methods, and you'll be just fine. Trust me. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck in your endeavors, and now, goodbye for now. See you next time.